Hello and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. Well, it's been a little bit of a while since I've had a Ready to Teach class for you. I've had a couple of months of doing my special classes because my ladies have been let out in the UK, so we haven't needed to do 2 classes every single month. So I've had a little bit of a rest, but I am back and raring to go with the fabulous goodies from the new catalogue. But here I have for you a fancy folds class. So as you know, fancy folds can be used at any time of the year with any sort of stamps and any sort of designer papers. So this is a class for always. You can use this and use it and use it again. For the purposes of this particular class, I am using the gorgeous Whimsy and Wonder papers, stamps, and so on. However, as I say, you can use anything at all to make these projects. And they are fancy folds. Now, a pop-up card could have a pop-up Christmas tree we've got a gift card holder optional. So we could do a pop-up Christmas tree, but of course it could be a pop-up anything else you like. So you get to choose what you're going to use. We have all sorts of fancy folds, including a pop and twist extra with extra pieces on it. And my personal favourite is that we had to have a wiper card. So we've got the presents there popping up. So we had to have a wiper card in there, but we've got a luminary, we've got all sorts of different fancy folds for you to use in your business. Now, fancy folds can be used as a special class, as I'm doing, where I'm teaching several of these projects, but you can just pick one and do it at a regular class, 1 per month, giving a really lovely wow for your customers. So what is included in the online class that I am offering? We have got obviously a video for each and every one of these projects, taking you through how to make a template for it, and also featuring exactly what I have done on these cards. You have got measurements for every single project, worked out for A4 and for US letter sizing. And these projects are all in inches. So you've got all the measurements that you need for each project. In addition to that, we've got an introduction video, which gives you some more ideas for using these in class. And we've got a printable ordering list per customer, so you know what to order. And I've got some pricing notes as well, which is something that I'm often asked for. So some ideas on how to price this class, as well as giving you an individual reference photo for each of the projects. I'm also doing some with no logos on, no Ready Set Demo, no Elizabeth's Craft Room, so you can use those to advertise your own classes and put your own logos on them. So the price for all this is just £10. I'm not putting my prices up. Seems everything is going up at the moment, isn't it? And I think you can do without an extra thing. So no, I'm just leaving my price at £10, which works out, depending on what PayPal are doing, at around about 13-14 US dollars, with the exchange rate varying daily, you never know, but around about that price. So if you'd like to order this class, then just click below. If you're watching on YouTube, that'll take you back to Ready Set Demo. And if you're watching on the Ready Set Demo website, then have a little look below and there is PayPal. Just click that and I will post the class back to you onto your email address. Just bear in mind, if we're in a different part of the world from one another, I'm in Southampton, England. If I'm asleep, you may have to wait. It's not automatic. I actually do it. But I will get it over to you as soon as I see your payment come in. So I really hope you enjoy teaching these fancy folds. My ladies have really enjoyed them, and it's been a very popular class, I have to say. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'd be happy to answer. See you soon. Bye.
Today.